What's up everybody, my name is Bobby and today I am extremely excited. After waiting for about a month, my brand new stainless steel Series 7 Apple Watch has finally arrived in the mail. So I woke up at like 5 in the morning the day the pre-order went live for this guy, and I managed to order mine, but the stainless steel model, specifically the 45mm version, was delayed by like a month. So the aluminum ones arrived within 2 weeks, but the stainless steel models, they quoted like the beginning of November. I got like a tracking confirmation from Apple that it was supposed to arrive on Wednesday, and then I was surprised it showed up today. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this guy for you. Boom, look at that, man. So the stainless steel model, it actually shows almost like a hollow, like a Pokemon card or something. It shows like a holographic border right there with the bigger watch face, which looks super slick. Really thin box. And then the band that I chose, since I already have the stainless steel link, which is what I plan on using with this watch, I wanted to go with a band that I didn't have, and I already have the Milanese loop as well. So I decided to go with the dark navy blue solo loop because I didn't have any of the sports band styles that were like the solo loop where you know, just stretch it out and slide it in, whereas like the active band that you normally get with an Apple Watch, it has the little loop that you slide in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy first, and we'll save the best for last. When you open this guy up, boom, there's the solo loop itself. Yep, feels just like any other, you know, active band that Apple offers. All right, now to get to the exciting part. So go ahead and peel this off. There's no plastic wrap around it anymore. I don't even remember if the last one did, to be honest, but I'm gonna go ahead. Come on now. Okay, boom, there we go. So we have the little information booklet that no one ever uses. Then right here, this should be the new USB Type-C fast charging charger. So this should be exciting. I'm excited to check this guy out. Yeah, it's got like a really long tip to it. That's kind of weird. And then this one, it's like the metal one instead of the plastic one. It feels really high quality. I mean, I'm sure it cost them like 25 cents to make this, but still. And then now for the main event. Boom, come on now. It's really tight in there. There we go. Boom, the watch itself. Man, that is super cold to the touch. That's crazy. Man, this must have gone so cold inside the packing. I'm gonna go and clean it off. Subtle flex. And it's so much heavier too. Apple Watch Series 7. 45mm stainless steel. Still has the red little circle right there indicating that it is also a cellular model. You actually can't get a stainless steel Apple Watch that isn't a cellular model. So without further ado, oh yeah, one thing to note about the stainless steel link is in order to take it off, you really have to like disconnect one of the links. Just kind of odd to me, but whatever. Let me go ahead and slide this guy off. Did I take that off the bottom? I can't remember. Oh, look at that, man. God damn, that's so sick. Boom. Now it's turning on. Yeah, it definitely looks bigger than the previous one. Like, you can physically see that size jump. Interesting. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through the setup process. Let me hop into the watch app. Oh, perfect. So right as I was opening the watch app, it said, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch, continue. Set up for myself. Go ahead and do the little lineup. Boom, your Apple Watch is paired. Restore from a backup. All right, so I am back. I got the watch set up. I went ahead and restored it from my backup and put it on the band. Went ahead and set up like the new watch face. Hold on, let me unlock it. And yeah, this thing is freaking sweet, man. My first impressions as far as it goes, one, it's definitely heavier. It feels way nicer quality. The screen feels like much brighter in my opinion. Not only is it like much bigger compared to the other one, like you feel like a physical difference in size, but you definitely feel like a brightness difference too. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but it feels significantly brighter. And it's kind of cool too that on this specific like watch face that's only for the Series 7, they put the little notification dot in between the 12 and the 1. I don't know why, I just think that's kind of cool because like here it's like in dead center. I don't know. Overall, I'm going to keep rocking it for a little bit. I'm going to shoot a review for it shortly. There's not a ton new with the new Series 7, but as for the changes so far, I really think it looks super slick with this watch band, the stainless link with the stainless steel. I just think that looks so slick. So anyway, I'll test it out, give you guys my review shortly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. I'll have a lot more Apple related content, so if you enjoy this type of stuff, please be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions or things you want me to answer about the watch when I do my review, definitely leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them either in the video or by just replying to you. And I'll have links to all my other content and that type of stuff down below as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.